Hey there, apartment investors. Today, we're diving into the essentials of documenting lease agreements effectively. A solid lease agreement is the backbone of a smooth landlord-tenant relationship, so let's get started. First up, drafting clear and comprehensive lease agreements. Your lease should outline rights and responsibilities for both parties. For tenants, this means rent payment schedules, maintenance requests, and unit upkeep. As a landlord, you need to commit to timely repairs, maintaining safe living conditions, and ensuring respectful access to the property. Next, let's talk about property rules and regulations. Specify guidelines for noise restrictions, pet policies, and guest limitations. Clear rules help tenants understand what's acceptable, keeping your property harmonious and issue-free. Maintenance responsibilities are another critical section. Define what falls under tenant duties, like changing light bulbs, and what major repairs you'll handle. Clarity here prevents misunderstandings and keeps your units in top shape. Now, ensuring legal compliance with rental laws is non-negotiable. Your lease must comply with local and state regulations, security deposit limits, notice periods, eviction processes, you name it. Familiarity with these laws helps you avoid legal hiccups. Don't forget fair housing requirement. Include statements in your lease to affirm compliance with non-discrimination laws. This not only protects you legally, but also promotes equal treatment for all tenants. Safety's a biggie too. Incorporate emergency procedures, smoke detector rules, and fire safety guidelines. Clearly documented safety clauses protect everyone involved. Before signing the lease, conduct a pre-signing walkthrough with your tenant, go through each section, explain essential clauses, and address any questions they might have. This ensures everyone's on the same page and helps avoid future disputes. And if there are any modifications, like pet policies or parking arrangements, document these changes directly in the lease. This avoids ambiguity and ensures all terms are mutually agreed upon. That's all for today, folks. A well-documented lease is your best ally in apartment investing. Thanks for watching.